Hello, hello! Maayong hapon. Sundo na po ni anak mga guys. Labasan na ang mga estudyante. Nag-uwan ganina guys. Karon panihunong. Pero karon balik na po og taligbos. Diba? Walay kahumanan ang tugnaw dali mga guys. Gisongog yun kung maayo guys. Abi kandingon ko. Saman si Pangging. Wala pa si Pangging mo gawas. Pangging-ging-ging. Wala pa ni gawas. Na si Pangging. Ang akong anak nag-short. Tapos wala siya kay balo nga mutugnaw po dairong adlaw. Pero daghan na kay nag-short. Daghan po kay nag-short di iron ang tanawa. Nana ang akong anak is coming nag-short ra pagyud. Kasi kung na siya tugnawa nga ako gitugnaw gid ko. Nagngisi ang akong anak. Nagngisi ang anak kay uwi ana.
You're back.
You're back.
Oh my God.
I'm back.
And you,
We don't know, but I'm not going.
well, then you're just gonna have to stay in school.
Yeah, and it will be fun because we're going to gym for that probably. Well, everything that
They could.
Foursquare stuff and kickball. I'm gonna eat dried fish. You know, dried fish is like
It's poison.
yeah.
It's still poison.
No.
How am I gonna drive? She's got the traffic
Oh,
stopped.
yeah, I know. Like so excited. Because of the kids.
That would be neat if they'd put a stoplight over there.
I know.